Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to achieve this simple golden eye look with eyeliner and a red lipstick. Well, I'm not going to show you how to do the red lipstick. I did that off camera, sorry. But if you want to see a video on how I do my lips, let me know. Leave it in the comments. Also, please keep in mind, I am nowhere near a professional. Like, this video definitely shows it. I did this just for fun, just because I want to get into the beauty side of YouTube, and I'm practicing. I don't know how to do any super crazy looks. I will definitely be practicing. I can't wait to show you guys, because it's always fun just trying, and even if it doesn't work out the way you want, like, I don't know, at least you tried. It's always fun. You never know until you try, so whatever. I'm done saying the word try. So, like I said, if you want to see how I achieve this look, then stay tuned. So I'm just gonna start with some primer. Now do our foundation. Now I'm just gonna go over with a beauty blender just to make sure I got everything. Blend it in first. So first I'm gonna start with using my eyeshadow primer. Today I'm gonna be using the Too Faced 24-Hour Eyeshadow Insurance Primer. It's my favorite and my go-to, and I definitely recommend it. And the first color I'm going to be using today is called Desert Sands. It's by the Nomad Company. I got this in my Birchbox for like a long time ago, but I still use it and I love this color. It's one of my favorites. And I'm just going to be putting this all over my lid pretty much. Now the other eye. So exciting. And the brush I was using for this, it's nothing special. It's just an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. I got it from Target. It's only like, I think like $3, so again, nothing special. Next color I'm gonna use is actually from the new Morphe palette, the 35H, what is it, Hotspot palette. I really like the colors. I figured I would just blend out kind of like my crease with the color Stilettos. Here, I'll show it to you. It's just this really pretty, light, shimmery color right here. The camera does not do it any justice, probably because I'm just using an iPhone and I've got really bad lighting. But it's good for putting on makeup, but probably bad for videos. But that's the color I'm using. If you guys haven't gotten this palette yet, I definitely recommend it. It's $24. You can get it at Ulta. And the colors are super vibrant. Some of the shimmers I found you have to kind of build, but all of the bright colors, like the bright blues, the bright pinks, and the corals, they're all super vibrant and have very little buildup needed. Maybe bring it in to the inner weave. I don't know if maybe this is a look I should have tried to do a cut crease for and started with the lighter color first, or like reverse them, but I like it. I don't need a whole lot going on as long as it is kind of like there and looks good. I'm okay. Now I'm going to be applying some eyeliner. I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Ink It. I'm going to be looking in my bathroom mirror, which is off to the side, so just give me 1 second. This side's gonna be easier right here. So I normally use the NYX Ink It markers. You get more of a, it's easier to get more of a pointed wingtip, so I'm gonna have to go through and fix that real quick. Hey guys, so I actually went ahead and I just finished the look off camera just to try to save time. I don't think I ended up saving that much time though. I'll definitely put a list of all the product I used in the description down below. But I'd finished the look off with some highlighter, a little bit of bronzer, and a nice red lip. See right here. Don't judge my eyebrows. I know I need to get them done. Okay? Okay. But the one regret I have is not using false lashes, but I didn't use them because I don't know how to, so don't judge me. Yeah, like I said, it's not anything super exciting. It's just a nice, easy look that if you need to practice blending, because I'm a beginner and like doing fancy makeup looks, I normally just do the one Nomad color when I wear it, but I figured the palette, the 35H Hot Shot, I really like it. I was like, I want to do something simple with it because it's mostly bright colors. It's a great summer palette, but for someone like, I'm not super confident in my makeup skills and I'm not super confident enough to be rocking like a bright ass makeup look anyways. So I wanted to see if I could put together a somewhat easy, simple, everyday look, and I think I kind of achieved it. I mean, I only use one color out of the palette. I know there's a lot more you can do, but I didn't have the time or the talent, really the knowledge. So yeah, thanks for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed the look, and like I said, I'll leave a link to all the products that I used. Wow, so I did not realize how much work actually went into making a makeup video. Like, I've been working on editing this video all day. Like, look at, I'm in a new set of clothes. Who would have thought? But I mean, it's actually been a lot of fun. A lot of fun. I didn't think I would like it at first. Like when I started doing all the editing, I was like, oh gosh, this is not gonna be something I enjoy at all, but it was a lot of fun. I do want to say, just for like future videos, if anyone has any tips that they'd love to leave me in the comment section, I would totally appreciate that. Whether it has to do with video editing, whether it's like you want to see me, like you'd rather see me cut out more of like me actually applying the makeup, like the foundation and the primer and the eyeshadow. I felt like it took a little long. I sped it up a little bit, but you know, I totally understand if you guys would rather me like do all that off camera and spend more time on the eyeshadow. Yeah, if you have any tips on even applying the makeup, like definitely I'm open to that. But anyways, I mostly just wanted to leave this in and say like, wow, I have a huge appreciation for people who do this as their job. I want to make this my job so I can totally see like why you guys get paid the big bucks, because it is a lot of work. I spent almost all day on just one video that took like, and the video itself actually took a long time to make too, surprisingly. Like I've never spent that much time doing makeup before. So yeah, I wanted to say that, and I just also wanted to say thanks for watching my video. Please hit subscribe and stay tuned. There'll be more to come and it'll be better, I promise. So thanks, bye.